Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to City Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will learn about general knowledge of class 7th. So let's start the video. Reptiles. What is reptiles? Or vertebrate animals of a class that includes snake, lizards, crocodiles, turtles and tortoises. They are distinguished by having a dry scaly skin and typically laying soft shielded eggs on land. Means those animals move on surface like snakes, lizards, crocodiles, turtles, tortoises are called reptiles. Amazing reptiles. The wrigglers. Wrigglers means squirrels means Etna. So there are given here so many. Discuss one by one. First, a reptile that has a sail on its back. It cannot swim. It can be domesticated also. Means such type of reptile have sail on its back and cannot swim. It is called tortoise. Tortiouse. Tortoise. Next one. It is just like a tortoise, but it stays in water. It's called turtle. 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 Third one. It is like a crocodile and can be mistaken for it, but it is small and has powerful bony scale on body. Means this reptiles look like a crocodile, but it is small and has powerful bony size scales on body. It's called alligator. 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 Next one. It is the largest and the heaviest of the reptiles found these days. It has huge jaw. Means this reptile is the largest and heaviest nowadays. It has a huge jaw. It's called crocodile. 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 Next one. It is a reptile brown black in color. It belongs to the group of crocodiles. This reptile looks like a crocodile but brown and black color. It's called caiman. 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 Next one, a snake which makes sound when it crawls and has a rattle on its tail. Means this snake when move then produce a sound through his tail. It's called rattlesnake. It's called rattlesnake. Spelling Rattlesnake. Rattlesnake. Next one. It is a strange animal that leaves its tail behind when attacked. The tail then grow again. Means this reptile is a strange animal that leaves its tail behind when we feel any predator, enemy, and the tail grow after some days. It's called lizard. 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 Next one, it is a peculiar reptile which can change its color quickly according to its surrounding. Means peculiar means unique, anokha. Means this type of reptile change color quickly according to its surrounding. It's called chameleon. 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 Next one, it is highly poisonous snake and is the longest of the poisonous snake. Means this snake is very poisonous. It's called king cobra, K-I-N-G, king, C-A-B-R-A, so C-O-B-R-A, king cobra. Next one, sea queens, the amazing fish. Sea king, the amazing fishes. Some fishes have unique body structure and strange habits. Some fish have unique body structure and strange behavior, habits. So discuss here one by one. First, it is a fish which has two eyes, but each eye is divided into two by a dark band. It appears as if the fish has four eyes. That is why it is named like that. Means this fish have two eyes, but a dark band look like four eyes of this fish. So this is called the four-eyed fish. So the name of this fish is four-eyed fish. Second, this fish is freshwater fish. It lives in South America, rivers, and is omnivorous. In nature, it has very sharp teeth and has crutch for flesh. It is very violent. Means this fish lives in South American rivers and it's omnivorous. Omnivorous means both such type of animal eat both veg and non-veg. It's called omnivorous. So this fish is called the piranha. P-I-R-A-N-H-A, piranha. Next one, this fish has a razor-shaped spinning tails which contain poisonous gland. When it is disturbed, it voluntarily lashes out of with his spinning tails to defend itself. Means this fish has razor-shaped spinny tails, and in this spinny tails have poisonous gland, and if find any problem, any enemy surround, then produce the poison to protect themselves. It's called stingray fish. S-T-I-N-G-R-A-Y, stingray fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Next one, this fish has dangerously sharp pair of spines on either side of the tail. They act like a surgeon's knife. Means this fish have two sharp pair of spine like a surgeon knife. So this is called the surgeon fish. S-U-R-G-E-O-N-F-I-S-S, surgeon fish. Next one, a strange fish which is more active out of water. It breathes through its spine. It has amphibian styles of living. Amphibious of living. With such type of fish more active out of water. Amphibian means those animals survive both water and on land. It's called amphibians. So this fish is called the mud skipper fish. M-U-D, mud, S-K-I-P-P-E-R, skipper, and F-I-S-H, fish. Mud skipper fish. Next one, this fish is brightly colored and has a string pattern body, making it the prettiest of all the fishes found on the reef of the ocean. Means this fish is brightly colored and this fish look like a beautiful and it's found on ocean. It's called mandarin fish. M-A-N-D-R-I-N, mandarin fish, F-I-S-H, mandarin fish. Next one, it fills its elastic stomach with water and swell up so that the spines become spherical this ability to inflate rapidly protect it from its predators. Means this fish feel elastic stomach. Means according to when we see any enemy around, then fish feel its elastic stomach look like dangerous for protect themselves through predators. This is called puffer fish. Puffer, fish, puffer fish. Most loyal friend dog. Dogs are the great value as helpers and companions to man. They are trained for special purposes like chasing and dropped animals and guards. So, dog are our most loyal friend. So, discuss here one by one. First, the cute breed is called pug. Pug, pug. The cute breed is called pug. You see also your area pug. Second, a dog originally from Germany. This dog belongs to Germany. This is called Schnauzer. 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 Third, the breed comes from China. Means this dogs come from China. It's called Sharpei. Sharpei. Next one, the bigger variety. Means this type of dogs found in different varieties. It's called Maltese. 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 Next one, it had a blue-black tongue. Means this dog tongues look like a blue-black. So this is called, and this dog when you see, there are so many dangerous compared to the another dog. It's called Chow Chow. Chaw. Chow Chow. Next one, a small breed developed in the 19th century in Yorkshire. This is called the Yorkshire Terrier. Yorkshire. Yorkshire Terrier. Barkless dog. Means this dog cannot bark like another dog. So this is called the Basenji. 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 Next, fastest dog in the world. Means this dog fastest dog compared to the all dog. They are high speed. So this is called the Greyhound. 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 Next one, Padgus dog. Padgus is Khijlana. Means this dog a very anger within some minute. So this is called the detachment. So this dog is called the Dachshund. 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 Next one, largest native carnivorous mammal in Australia. This such type of dog found in Australia. So this dog is called dingo. 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 11th, smallest breed of dog. This is called Chihuahua. 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 12th, noted for its black liver spots coat roots from region of Dalmatia. Means this type of dog have a black spot on skin. This dog is called Dalmatian. 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 13. Has pure blood, used as tracker of criminals. This dog is used for tracking of blood-related criminal. An easy way to verify blood and find out the criminal. So this is called the bloodhound. BLOOD, bloodhound. HOUND. 14. A very intelligent dog used as a police dog and sniper and companion is called German Shepherd. GERMAN, German, SHEPHERD, German Shepherd. 15th. Loyal dog of Egypt. Loyal dog of Egypt is called Saluki. SALUKI. 16. Breed of Tibet. A watchdog and a family dog. This dog is a family dog and belongs to the Tibet. It's called Lhasa Apso. LHASA, Lhasa Apso, APSO. Next one. 17. A dog from China. This dog belongs to the China, kept as a pet, has a beautiful soft coat. This dog also see in your area. This is called the Pekingese. PEKINGESE, Pekingese. And 18th. Originated in Siberia for pulling sleds. People's friends like to haul for fun. This dog is called the Siberian Husky. SIBERIAN, Siberian, HUSKY, Husky. So this is the GK of class 7th. In this video we learn about amazing reptiles, sequins and loyal friend of dog. All students write and learn. Thank you.